Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. The lowdown on transmission fluid service, what you need to know. Ever wondered why your car's gears shift smoothly one day and feel sluggish the next? The answer might just be in the transmission fluid. Like oil in your engine, transmission fluid plays a pivotal role in keeping your vehicle's transmission cool and lubricated. Regular transmission fluid services are crucial for preventing premature wear and costly repairs down the line. In this video, we'll dive into why transmission fluid service isn't just routine maintenance. It's a critical component in your vehicle's longevity and performance. Whether you're a daily commuter or a weekend road tripper, understanding the when, why, and how of changing your transmission fluid can save you from headaches and keep your ride smooth. Join us as we explore the ins and outs of this essential automotive care. What is transmission fluid service? Transmission fluid plays a crucial role in the smooth operation of a vehicle's transmission system. It serves as a lubricant, ensuring that the various components within the transmission can move freely without causing excessive friction or heat buildup. Additionally, transmission fluid helps to transfer power from the engine to the transmission, allowing for seamless gear shifts and optimal performance. Purpose of transmission fluid. The primary purpose of transmission fluid is to lubricate the internal components of the transmission system. By reducing friction between moving parts, transmission fluid helps prevent wear and tear, extending the lifespan of the transmission. Furthermore, transmission fluid helps to dissipate heat generated during operation, preventing overheating and component damage. Signs that transmission fluid service is needed. Visible fluid leaks. One of the most common signs that transmission fluid service is needed is the presence of fluid leaks underneath the vehicle. If you notice red or brown fluid pooling beneath your car, it could indicate a transmission fluid leak that needs immediate attention. Difficulty shifting gears. If you experience rough or delayed gear shifts, it may be a sign that the transmission fluid is low or contaminated. Old or degraded transmission fluid can impede the smooth operation of the transmission, leading to shifting issues. Strange noises. Unusual noises such as whining, grinding, or clunking coming from the transmission area could indicate a lack of proper lubrication due to low or dirty transmission fluid. Addressing this issue promptly can help prevent further damage to the transmission system. Burning smell. A burning odor inside the vehicle could be a sign of overheating transmission fluid. Overheated fluid can lose its lubricating properties, causing increased friction and potential damage to transmission components. Dashboard warning light. Some vehicles are equipped with a transmission temperature warning light that alerts drivers to potential issues with the transmission fluid. If this warning light illuminates your dashboard, it is essential to have the transmission fluid checked and serviced promptly. By paying attention to these signs and addressing any issues promptly, you can ensure that your vehicle's transmission system remains in optimal condition, promoting smooth operation and longevity. Importance of regular transmission fluid service. Regular transmission fluid service is crucial for the overall well-being of your vehicle. By understanding the importance of maintaining your transmission system, you can ensure enhanced performance and longevity, prevent costly repairs, and maintain fuel efficiency. Enhanced performance and longevity. One of the key benefits of regular transmission fluid service is the enhancement of your vehicle's performance and longevity. Transmission fluid acts as a lubricant for all the moving parts within the transmission system, reducing friction and heat. This helps in ensuring smooth gear shifts and overall optimal performance. By changing the transmission fluid at recommended intervals, you can extend the lifespan of your transmission system and avoid premature wear and tear. Prevention of costly repairs. Neglecting transmission fluid service can lead to a host of transmission problems, eventually resulting in costly repairs. Over time, old and contaminated fluid can cause wear on the transmission components, leading to overheating, slipping gears, and even complete transmission failure. By sticking to a regular maintenance schedule and changing the transmission fluid as needed, you can prevent these issues and avoid expensive repairs down the line. Maintaining fuel efficiency. In addition to performance and longevity benefits, regular transmission fluid service also helps in maintaining fuel efficiency. Clean and fresh transmission fluid ensures that the gears within the transmission operate smoothly, reducing the amount of power lost during gear shifts. This, in turn, helps in improving the fuel economy and overall efficiency of your vehicle. By keeping up with transmission fluid changes, you can ensure that your vehicle is running at its most fuel-efficient state. By prioritizing regular transmission fluid service, you can enjoy a smoother drive, avoid costly repairs, and keep your vehicle operating efficiently for years to come. Stay proactive with your vehicle maintenance to reap the benefits of a well-maintained transmission system. When to get transmission fluid service. Ensuring your vehicle's transmission system is serviced at the right time is crucial for optimal performance and longevity. Here are the key factors to consider when determining when to get transmission fluid service. Mileage intervals. One of the most common indicators for transmission fluid service is mileage. Typically, it is recommended to change the transmission fluid every 30,000 to 60,000 miles. However, this can vary based on your vehicle's make and model, so it's essential to consult your owner's manual or a trusted mechanic for specific guidance. Regularly checking the fluid level and condition can also help in determining if a service is needed sooner. Operating conditions. The way you drive and the conditions in which you operate your vehicle can also impact the frequency of transmission fluid service. If you frequently drive in stop-and-go traffic, tow heavy loads, or traverse hilly terrains, your transmission may experience increased stress. In such cases, it's advisable to have the fluid checked more frequently to ensure smooth operation and prevent potential issues. Vehicle manufacturer's recommendations. Lastly, following the manufacturer's recommendations is vital when it comes to transmission fluid service intervals. Vehicle manufacturers often provide guidelines on when to service the transmission based on the specific requirements of their models. Ignoring these recommendations can lead to premature wear and damage to the transmission system, resulting in costly repairs down the line. Therefore, adhering to the manufacturer's guidelines is key to maintaining your vehicle's overall health and performance. By staying mindful of mileage intervals, considering your driving conditions, and heeding the manufacturer's recommendations, you can ensure that your transmission fluid is changed at the right time, keeping your vehicle running smoothly and efficiently. And that wraps up part 1 of our transmission fluid service series. We hope you found this information helpful in maintaining your vehicle's health and performance. Be sure to stay tuned for part 2, where we'll explore the nitty-gritty of transmission fluid changes, common problems, and expert tips. Until next time, drive safe. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.